Hello everybody, welcome back. And in this video, we'll learn about the relational and assignment operators. So we'll begin with the relational operators. Relational operators are used for comparing the values of two expressions. They are binary operators and require two operands to operate on. And it checks the relationship between the two variables or operands. And if the relation is true, it returns 1, or if the relation is false, it returns 0. So they are used for decision making. And we'll see the relational operators. Some of them are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. Now we'll begin with the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and right side operand of the operator is a value. And the RHS value must be of same data type as that of the LHS variable, or else the compiler will throw error. So the assignment operators are, the basic one is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, slash equal to. Hash include, std io.h, void main. I'm declaring some three variables and assigning their values. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 10, z is equal to some 20. Okay, I'm now trying to print all the values first. Okay, now we'll try with the relational operators. Printf, I'll check if x is equal to y or not. X equals y or not. And this particular thing must return a value either 0 or 1. Okay, actually it must return 1 in this case. We'll check. Comma, the expression x equal to y. Okay. I'm saving the code. Relate.c. GCC relate.c. No relate. Relate. See, it has printed it as x is equal to 10, y is equal to 10, z is equal to 10, and check the condition whether x is equal to y or not. The answer is 1. That is true value. Okay. Now we'll check if x is greater than or greater than z or not. So in this case, I must get the answer as 0. Okay, I'm saving the code. I'm trying to compile and execute. See, I have got the result as 0, stating it as the statement is false. Okay. Okay, now we'll learn about the assignment operators, and I'm going to write x plus is equal to 9. It means x is equal to x plus 9. Okay, so the value of x is added with 9 and the answer is again stored into the same variable x. Okay, now I'm trying to print the value after incrementing x percentage d. Okay, now I must get the value as 19. We'll check. I'm saving the code. I'm compiling and executing the code. See, the answer has become 19. The x has become as 19. So that's all about the relational and assignment operators. I'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you so much.